Hello students, welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now. I promise to complete your syllabus. Would like to solve all your queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. So dear students, in my last class we have discussed about arithmetic progressions. Today we continue with this. Arithmetic progressions AP is very important chapter in class 10. Just recall the formula. What is AP and nth term? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. Then here the question says if m times the mth term of an AP is equal to n times the nth term. Here the m times the mth term. Here the question says m times the mth term is equal to n times the nth term. Here am is equal to mth term of the AP, mth term of the AP, where an is equal to nth term of the AP. Nth term of the AP. Here m times of mth term is equal to n times of nth term, which imply m into mth term is equal to A plus m minus 1 into D is equal to n into A plus n minus 1 into D. Then here is equal to m into A plus m minus 1. Be careful students, please. When you solve, your simple mistake will give you a wrong answer. Please practice more and more questions and variety of questions. Then can only you appear any questions which will be asked in your exam paper. Then here multiply am plus m square d minus md minus na minus n square d plus nd is equal to 0. Then am minus an plus m square d minus n square d. Take this, then this, then remain this. Then minus md plus nd is equal to 0. Here taking a common, this is m minus n, and here taking d common, this is m square minus n square. Taking here minus d, this is m minus n is equal to 0. Then take m minus n common. Then taking m minus n common, here a plus d into m plus n minus d is equal to 0. Then here a plus taking d common, this is m plus n minus 1 is equal to 0, which shows that the m plus nth term is equal to 0. What is nth term? Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here this is a plus m plus n minus 1 into d, which means mth term a m plus nth term is equal to 0, because this is a plus a m plus nth term. This is m plus nth term is equal to 0. Hence we proved. Here the question is given, if m times of mth term is equal to n times of nth term, then to prove that, we have to prove that, that a m plus nth term is equal to 0. Hence here we proved m plus nth term is equal to 0. Okay. Then next questions. Here the question says I have already told you students, please practice variety of questions. What is arithmetic mean? Suppose A and B are two terms, then arithmetic mean of these two terms is, suppose this is in arithmetic progressions, then arithmetic mean of this term is A plus B upon 2. This is called arithmetic mean. Here the question says, A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1 upon A to the power n plus B to the power n is the arithmetic mean between A and B. Here given, this is arithmetic is the arithmetic mean between A and B, between A and B. This is arithmetic mean between A and B. Then to find out the value of n, we have to find the value of n. Here the question says then solutions. The arithmetic, I have already told you, arithmetic mean of A and B is A plus B upon 2. Here in the questions, this is arithmetic mean A n plus 1 plus B n plus 1 upon A to the power n plus B to the power n is the arithmetic mean, between A and B, A and B. This means as this is arithmetic mean between A and B, which imply A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1 upon A n plus B n is equal to A plus B upon 2. As this is arithmetic mean between A and B, and we know that arithmetic mean between A and B is A plus B upon 2. Then take the cross multiplication. This is 2 into A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1 is equal to A to the power n plus B to the power n into A plus B, which shows that 2 into A to the power n plus 1 into 2 into B n plus 1 is equal to A to the power n plus 1 plus A B to the power n plus A to the power n B plus B to the power n plus 1. Then take this and this two LHS, we get that I share board here students. Then we get that, take this and this two LHS, bring it to LHS. Then we get A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1 is equal to A B to the power n plus A to the power n B. Then here A B to the, yes, then A to the power n plus 1 minus A to the power n B is equal to A to B n minus B to the power n plus 1. Then taking A to the power n common, here A minus B, and here taking B to the power n common, this is also A minus B. Then A minus B cancel, we get A to the power n is equal to B to the power n. This means A to the power n upon B to the power n is equal to 1, which shows that, look at here, from this take here, this shows that A to the power n upon B to the power n can be written as 1, can be written as A upon B to the power 0. This means A upon B to the power n is equal to A upon B to the power 0, which imply n equal to 0. Then we get n equal to 0. We find the value of n is equal to 0. Then next question. Then next, here the theorem says now we discussed about the nth term of the AP. Here we can find out the sum of n terms of an AP. The sum of here we have to find out sum of n terms of an AP. N terms of an AP. N terms of an AP. Here this is theorem 1 says the sum Sn of n terms of an AP, the sum Sn of n terms of an AP with first term is A, with first term is A, with first term is A and the common difference is D. First term is A and the common difference is D, and the common difference is D. Then the Sn, the sum of nth term is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to n upon 2. 2a can be written as a plus n minus 1 into D. This is n upon 2 a plus, look at here, this is nth term of an AP, means nth term of an AP means an What is an is the last term. Nth term is the nth term, or the last term, or the nth term, or the last term of the AP, or the last term of the AP. This is n upon 2 a plus L. A is the first term, L is the last term, into n upon 2 is the sum of the n terms of an AP. Okay. Then here put this formula and solve. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, which can be written Sn is equal to a plus L, n by 2 into a plus L, where a is the first term, and L is the last term. L is the last term of the AP, where there are n terms in the AP. Then here the question says I have already told you students, please practice variety of questions. Here the question says find the sum of 20 terms of AP. Find the sum of, here the question says find the sum of 20 terms of the AP. Find the sum of 20 terms of the AP. The AP is given as 1, 4, 7, 10 in this way. Here the first term A equal to 1 and the common difference D is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. And there are n terms. How many terms? 20 terms are here. N equal to 20. Then we have to find out Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Here n is 20 upon 2 and a is 1. 2 into 1 plus n is 20 minus 1 into common difference 3. This is 10 into 2 plus 19 into 3. This is 10 into 2 plus 57, which is equal to 10 into 59, which is 590. Here the sum of 20 terms of the AP is 590. Then solve another questions. I have already told you students, please practice variety of questions. Here the question says, here this question is already asked in the 2005 CBSE question paper. Here the question says, if nth term of an AP is 2n plus 1, find the sum of n terms of the AP. Here in this question says, if the nth term of an AP is 2n plus 1, and find the sum of first n terms of the AP. Then here find the sum of n terms of the AP. Here the nth term is given 2n plus 1. What is nth term? Then nth term an is equal to 2n plus 1. This means a1 first term is 2 into 1 plus 1. In place of n we can write 1. This is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Then the second term a2 is 2 into 2 plus 1. This is 4 plus 1 5. Then the common difference is a2 minus a1 is 5 minus 3 2. Then here we get a equal to 3, d equal to 2, and n. Then we have to find out Sn. N equal to n. Then we have to find out Sn. N equal to n, and the last term means an is equal to 2n plus 1. Then according to formula, Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus l, because here a is the first term and l is the last term. Then this is n upon 2, and the first term is 3 plus nth term is 2n plus 1. Then here this is n upon 2, 2n plus 4. Then here n into 2n plus 2 upon 2, 2 cancel. Then the sum of Sn is equal to n into n plus 2. Sum of first nth term of the AP is this. Okay. Then students, please you practice your worksheet and ask me your doubt in my comment box. I promise to clear your all doubts. You please practice variety of questions. Then here the question says, find the sum of first 30 terms of the AP. First 30 terms, here 30 terms of the AP whose second term is given 2, and the seventh term is given 22. Then here we have to find out what is a. A is the first term and d is the common difference. Here a is the first term and d is the common difference. Then second term is equal to a plus d, and the seventh term a plus d is equal to 2, and the seventh term is a plus 6d is equal to 22. Then here subtract this 1 from 2, we get a plus 6d minus a minus d is equal to 22 minus, subtract 1 from 2, then we get 5d is equal to 20, d is equal to 4. As d is equal to 4, then a plus D is equal to 2. This means A plus 4 is equal to 2. A is equal to minus 2. Here we get A equal to minus 2 and D equal to 4, D equal to 4 and N equal to 30. Then Sn S30 is equal to 30 upon 2 because Sn is equal to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Then this is the formula. Then here 30 upon 2 into 2 into minus 2 plus 30 minus 1 into 4. Then here is equal to 15 into minus 4 plus 116. 29 4 ja 116. Then this is 15 into 112, which is equal to 1680. Sum of first 80 terms is 1680. Answer is S30 is equal to 1680. S30 is equal to 1680. Okay, students, today this much in my